everyone, it's Kat. I am back with UMBC Recreation to give you guys another killer HIIT and core workout. So for HIIT and core, before we begin, a little bit of info for you. In this HIIT and core class today, how it's gonna go, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, moving to your own pace. You don't got to worry about matching the beat of music in this class, but if you do, it's always a little extra bonus. We're gonna do 6 minutes of strength, 6 minutes of cardio, and then 6 minutes of core. So that's 6 movements, 3 different sections, that's 18 moves. And we'll repeat that one more time. So you do that circuit twice. In between each 6-minute block, I'll give you guys an extra 10 seconds, 30 seconds to recover, and then 60 seconds reset in between. So you will get plenty of chances to kind of catch your breath, get a sip of water. If you have, where is my sweat towel? Here. If you have a sweat towel, have that handy so that you can towel yourself off, and you can even use it on the floor as a way to kind of give yourself a little extra grip in any plank position. If you have, which I really hope you do, some kind of water bottle, something to stay hydrated with, just so you can hydrate yourself during the workout. And then for equipment, your own body weight, a good pair of sneakers. Mat is optional on the floor when we do come to the floor for core and our plank movements. If you don't have a mat, that's okay. A towel, even if the floor you're on, if you're okay getting down to the floor. And then a set of weights. These are 5-pound weights. My dog kind of got to them, so it's a little ratty right here, but they're still 5 pounds. If you don't have those kinds of hand weights, water bottles are also good, soup cans, or no weight at all. I'll give you plenty of options. So don't feel like you can't do this workout because you don't have something. I will say if you're working out on carpet, just be careful on any of the cardio movements that you don't end up locking your knee out. Just with traction between your shoes and the floor. Just always be sure you're lifting your heel, moving your body with it. Okay, I'm gonna have a playlist going. We're gonna be listening to the timer. It'll tell you what to do. I will tell you what to do. So let's get this party started. All right, so playlist going. If you'd rather listen to other music, I'm not gonna have the music too loud. You can turn up whatever tunes you wanna listen to. Oh, music's coming. Hold on, stand by, guys. Music is coming. Here it is. All right, so we're gonna start at movement 1. It's shoulder rolls. Take your rolls backwards, just opening up the chest. Feet can be about hip to shoulder width apart. And we're gonna reverse it other way. Big. Adjust my timer here a little bit. So keep it moving. There we go. All right, feet again, still wide, and twist side to side. Lift your heel up. Guard can be kind of outside your face. And especially if you're on carpet, this is where you're kind of learning how to lift that heel. Going through the floor to your core. Body getting warm right here. We've got 10 movements in our warm up, 30 seconds each. Butt kickers, side to side. Pull your heel toward your butt. Flex your foot. Good job. Now remember, you're on pace today. You don't gotta match me. Working out with a friend, you don't gotta match them either. It's all about you today. Goal is to just move. High knee pulls, up, up. So you're getting your hands up, starting to heat up your shoulders. Bring your knee up toward your hip line, or a little bit past it, a little higher up. Balance, everything through the center. Feet hip to shoulder width, squat down and up. So chest up, forward or a little bit turned out. And if you want to add a little more, you're getting your squat down. You can reach toward the floor and reach up. Then push your knees out. Just like you're sitting nice and deep in a chair. All right, legs even wider. Side lunge. Stretch out that inner thigh. Into the center. Woo. Now depending if you've done any other workouts past few days or not, it might dictate how low you're going to get here in this movement. Your inner thighs might be really tight like my arm, or you might be able to get a little bit lower. One more. All right, toy soldiers. Opposite arm and leg. Come up, kick. Nice long leg. Flex your foot. Be tall and proud here. Next movement, we are going to come down to the floor. So give yourself a little bit of space. You're going to crawl yourself out. Feet about hip width, hinge back. Walk out to a plank. Shoulders over wrists. Bring yourself back. Roll it up. Repeat it. Get your own pace. Get weight on your shoulders. Already working on a nice, strong, stable core here. All the way up, crescent knees. So opening up your hips. Knee into out. Now, if any of you people have hair that might need to be put up in a ponytail, if you haven't done that yet, and you happen to be wearing your little hair tie, take a second while you're warming up through these hips to tie your hair up. If not, get your game face ready. All right, last movement, fast feet. So heels up, hips, push it back, chest forward. Get through tabs, quads, glutes, core, and heart rate. Coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, first movement, you are going to grab your set of weights or water bottles if you have them. If not, you don't need them. Weights are going to come up, shoulders back, feet about hip shoulder width. It's squats. It's just down and up. This is the first movement of our 6-minute strength block right here. Now it's enduring strength. Since our weights are a little bit on that light to medium side, or maybe a little heavier if you have your 15s, or backpack. You get one more in. All right, gently set these weights down. We're gonna come to the floor. Plank position. So walk yourself out. You can be on your knees or your toes. And it's gonna be shoulder taps. So fingers spread, glutes tight. Now keep your body steady. Feet, maybe hip width are a little wider. Tap opposite shoulder, set it down. So your goal here is to be steady through the body. Notice when I tap, my hips don't lift up to the side. Try to keep focus to the ground. If that's hard for you, knees down. A little more stability with those legs down. Woo! All right, a little stretch. We're gonna come standing right back up. Reverse lunges. So these weights come back. Or not. You can hold your weights here. or by your sides. Feet nice and wide like two railroad tracks. So you're gonna always keep space between your feet. Step one leg back, chest forward, lunge down, step it in, other side. Hips forward. Can you just hover that knee back there? You want to think 90-90 with these legs. Weight in that front heel. Good. Now keep your eye gaze toward the front or toward the wall if you're facing the side. Get one more in. There we go. We're going to stay standing. It's going to be a bent over reverse fly. So we're taking it from lower to upper, lower to upper. Feet about hip width apart. Hinge your hips back. Palms face each other. Roll your shoulders away. Small bend in these elbows. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and release. So eye gaze is down and ahead. Shoulder blades come together back there. Think about pinching a pencil between your shoulder blades. Snapping it right there. Woo. How you doing so far? You got it, you're strong. And even if you don't want to use weights, you just want to focus on the movement. If you think about those muscles back there, you're still going to get a workout in. All right, weights. Back in those hands, if you set them down. Single leg deadlift. We're going to focus on the right side. We're going to get a little balance here. So, I kind of like to have the weights in the front for counterbalance. You can have them wherever you like. I'm going to have them face toward this front thigh. Front knee's going to be a little bent as I hinge back. Balance, balance, balance. And then exhale, bring yourself up. Inhale down and hinge your hips back. That back toe faces toward the floor. Nice and steady right here. Woo! If you start to lose your balance, fight for it. Find a spot, look at it. Focus, focus, focus. Bring yourself up. All right, shake out. Other side, same thing. Think about hip width apart here. Hips, they go from the front. When you hinge back, they start facing down. Other leg back. Palms toward the side. Nice inhale down, hinge back. And then exhale. Woo, bring yourself up. Where are you feeling this? Back of this thigh. From behind, underneath this glute, through back of the knee, all the way up. That beautiful hamstring muscle right there. Exhale, contract it on up. Woo! Find your balance again. I'm going to find that spot to look at. Then exhale with your breath, coming back up. Last one here. All the way up. Woo. Weights down. All right, 30-second break. Strength not that bad, right? 6 minutes of cardio coming next. I'm gonna get a quick sip of water. Same kind of deal. 40 on, 20 off. We start jumping jacks. Think about pushing these knees out, balls of the feet. Arms up, take it up and down. So now we definitely got your muscles turned on with that strength circuit. So now, we're gonna get your lungs going a little more efficiently here. Your heart rate coming up. So that when we take it to the floor of the core, you're just gonna keep burning and shredding. Whatever you want. Whether that's calories, fat, any negative thoughts you have. Whew. I like this song here. hinge back again. Balancing side to side. Now that back foot, ball of the foot will touch down if you like. Or balance. How far can you go? Each side. And don't cheat your arms. Keep them going with it. Side to side. It's part of the workout. Lower and upper. Come on, you got it. 5 more seconds. Give me 3, 2. All right. Now, keep moving. A little lower intensity here. But legs still stepping side to side. Next move, triple step or a Heisman. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, 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 up. If you need step, you can slow it down. Or really get that knee up. I think this is one of my favorite cardio movements ever created. Your calves fire up. You're hinging back just a little bit. Knees coming up. Heart rate up. Step side to side. I'm gonna retighten my ponytail right here. And we're gonna take it back to the floor. Clockwork mountain climbers. Meet me down here. Shoulders over wrist. Now your hands stay exactly where they are. You're gonna run to one corner, back to center, and to the other corner. Guess what? Just like clockwork. Shoulders stay over wrist. You want it to work? You want it to count? Go! And if it's too much, stay in the center. Use your toes. Child's pose. We're gonna come up. Okay, butt kicker run. So we did these in the warm-up, those hamstring curls. We're gonna speed them up. Think about flexing your feet. I'm gonna turn to the side. Feet flexed. Heel coming up towards your butt. For these hamstrings. Back of these legs. Now what did I say about your arms? Get them engulfed. Where are you running to? We're running to the end of the workout. We've got a little bit. But we're going to get closer with every movement. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not going to be a HIIT workout without a burpee variation. So this is your burpee option right here. Now you can either squat in place a little quicker, or your burpee. Legs wide, hands down, feet back. Jack in, jack out, in, jack in, out, back, in, out, in, up, in, out. Hands, feet together, apart, in, up, together, apart, down, back. Now you can speed it up as you like. If your heart rate ain't up, I want you to go a little quicker. All right, 30-second recovery. Towel off, sip of water. When I do this, this is water. That's my sign language for water. Small sip. because we're gonna go on the floor. All right, make your way down. This is gonna be upper body lift with bent knee lift. Low back down to the floor. Hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your upper body and knees above your hips. And then gently bring it all down. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, take it down. Woo! Exhale up. Notice shins parallel above the floor, knees over these hips, elbows wide. Exhale up. Take it down. So you've got heat developing right in the center. Next movement, side plank. So your right side is going to be down, and we're just going to hold it. So give your wrists a break. You can be on your forearm, elbow over shoulder, hips stacked, knees can be stacked to start. Lift your hip up. Now think about the shoulder is pushed down away from your ear. Hip up. Okay, we want to add a little more to it. Lift your hands, start. Reaching for the ceiling. A little more, straighten that bottom leg. Now what happens when you straighten that leg? When you start to lean forward, open back up, push these hips forward. That's going to get you back in alignment. That lat muscle under here is starting to cry. Your oblique, your bottom hip. Back to your back. Leg lowers. Roll it all the way down. Hands can be under your glutes for support if you like, or by your side if you keep your back down. I'm going to start under my glutes. Legs straight. Back down. Lower. Inhale. And then exhale. Woo! Pick your legs up. Inhale down. As low as you can go while you keep that back on the floor. Maybe it's this low. Oh! Every centimeter lower that you go, you should feel a little more body shake. Oh, I'm getting right there, right there. Oh, back up. And if it's too much, you do have the option to bend your knees. Reducing the lever right here. Woo-hoo. All right, side plank, other side. So same deal. Forearm down, everything stacked. Knees stacked, hips stacked. Shoulder down, lift that bottom hip up. And just hold it. This elbow is thinking about coming toward that bottom knee right there. Now you know how to make it a little more challenging for your body today. Arm up. How about that straight bottom leg? Did you avoid this time? I hope you did. If not, open it up. Push these hips forward. It's like you're between two panes of glass. You don't want the glass to break. Come on, 4 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Not the last movement. I'm sorry, second to the last movement. Right here. Back extensions. Feet going to be about hip apart. And you're going to take these hands, fingertips nice and light, outside your temples. Eye gaze down, tense and squeeze your glutes as you lift your upper body up and then lower down. Lift up, tight cheeks behind your back. Maybe tight cheeks up here too. And be really mindful to keep your eye gaze toward the mat. You don't need to see me for that movement. Just think, glutes tight as you lift, and then you can relax as you lower down. Glutes tight, lift chest. Lower down. Good job. Press yourself up. If you have your weights, this is an fast core movement here. Weights can be right in between your hands. Shoulders back. If you're on your knees, try to bring them a little further back and hips forward. You're going to row one way up or row one way up. Legs straight, your knees bent. The elbow in comes by the side of your body. And then switch sides. Same thing like those shoulder taps, but a more challenging variation to keep your hips from opening up. Your own pace, whatever you gotta do to keep good form. Come on, tense your quads. Go. Knees down. Okay, this is your full 60-second break right here. Towel off. Whatever you need. How are we doing? That was 18 movements right there. Strength, cardio, core. We're gonna do them all again. You guys are gonna see a quick cutaway. Keep toweling off. And then start moving your feet again. I'll be back in a split second. All right, we're ready to do this all again. Remember that first move in that strength block. Squats. So I'm gonna grab my weights, squat down, grab them. Up to the chest. Feet hip to shoulder width. Inhale down. Exhale, bring it up. Now this is a chance to really work your muscles to just time. You can do a workout like this at any point in your life. We all have phones, right? Pretty much. If you don't, you have some kind of timer in your house, even on your oven. Set it for a minute, pick a movement, and just go. Last one. All right, we're gonna come back to the floor. Set these weights down. Shoulder taps. I very intentionally put this up, down, up, down. Part of the workout is getting yourself up to down, down to up. Because as you get older, one of the biggest risks that we want to avoid is falls. Now I know some of you got that 18 to 24-year-olds on here. You're like, I'm not gonna worry about that. Well, if you start training now to prevent it, you're right, you don't have to worry about it. Strengthen your muscles. Strengthen everything around these bones. Come on, one more tap. Woo! There we go. Let's bring it up. Reverse lunges. Take two, just alternate. Right leg and left leg right here. Feet about hip width apart. Space between your feet. Step the leg back. Hips forward, chest up. And then bring it in. Other side, step back. Hips forward, chest front. So from the side, step back, hips front. So you're going to notice knee over ankle. Weight pushes in that front heel to pick me up and to lift me off the floor. That back knee can just hover off the ground. Exhale up. If you have a nice soft cushion mat like mine, it might touch a little bit. That's okay. Right, next movement, bent over, reverse flies. So these feet, about hip width apart. I point here, because this is kind of like the front of where your hips can push back if you push right into that line. Knees bent, on space. Shoulders back, get that form right. Open up. So you're feeling that upper back. Squeeze between those shoulder blades right here. Strengthening that upper back. How many of you are either at home, probably a lot of you, maybe somewhere in the office, but you're at a computer all day? What are you doing? You're hunched like this. Let's fix it. Let's strengthen those back muscles. Let's make them stronger. Good posture. We're going to walk proud. Come on, one more. Good job. Deadlifts. So again, we're on that back side. But we're taking them from upper to lower now. Everything that's grounding and that's deactivating. We're sitting a lot all day. Right knee a little bent. Left leg goes back. I'm gonna hold my weights here. And down. Weights can come a little bit below your kneecap, maybe like mid-shin. Bring yourself up. You do not have to touch the floor. That's how we're really gonna keep you a little safer too. So that your back comes about hip level. Hinge yourself back. Exhale, use the back of that leg. Woo, pull you up. We can get one more. There we go. Other side. Now this workout, I don't really have anything too crazy, I think, in terms of movements. I kept the movements pretty basic. Your push, your pulls. Big muscles, shoulders back. Nice inhale. Exhale. Oh. Inhale. Woo. Inhale down. Weight stop about mid-shin below that knee. And one side should feel a little more challenged than the other. Your stronger legs, your weaker legs. This is how we're going to try to balance them out. Woo! We can get one more out here. There we go. Weights down. 6 minute strength block. Done. 6 minute cardio block coming up right now. So no matter what you like, strength cardio for, you get a little bit of everything today. And they're only 6 minutes. You can make it through. It's like 2 songs. Alright, jumping jacks to start. Knees push out, balls knees feet. Up and down. Hands above your head. Working out of that inner balance. So your lungs getting stronger right here. More oxygen in and out. More efficient breathing. Cardiorespiratory system right here. And it's mental clarity. Work through it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Check it out. Good. Skaters. So whether you want to roller skate in the summer, or maybe you're a winter baby and you want to ice skate, pick. But either way, hips are going to go a little back. You're going to balance side to side. 40 seconds right here. Both knees have that bend in them. Whether you're tapping that back ball of the foot or you're balancing. Catching yourself, right? Those falls we talked about, you're strong and steady. You're like the true grit statue, right outside the rack. Nothing can break you. Come on. 3, 2, 1. My favorite one. Triple step Heisman. Now I know we at UBC, we don't have football. But we're gonna play some football right now. Triple step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Making ourselves more agile, more coordinated, just like a football player. Come on, side to side. Can you go faster? Or slower? I love this move. I feel like I can do it all day. But really, I'm looking at the time, because I can't. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side to side. Clockwork mountain climbers. Going side to side. So walk yourself down. Shoulders over wrist. And then run it to one corner. Keep your hands where they are. Come back to the center. Other side, other corner. So I have my treadmill back here, so I can't go too far over. You go as far as you want to go. But maybe you can't do that because you're spaced, so just keep it in the center, that's fine. And you can even be here. You're still going to feel a crunch in the middle of your body. Those knees coming in. Oh. Back up. That strength circuit we did at first is really more of the opportunity to breathe. This cardio block, you get less of a chance to recover. As soon as you recover, it's time to move. All right, butt kickers. Heel to your glutes. Get those arms. Keep your chin up. Get your heel toward your glute, using your hamstring to bring it up. If you need, you can go side to side and slow it down depending on your flooring. Come on, you got this. 2 more seconds. Breathing deeper. I am. Woo! 1 more cardio move. If you're ready, you got it. Burpee. Nice and wide. So down, legs wide. 1 jack, in, out. Jump it up, legs wide. Jack, in, out. Same thing. Down, back, in, out, in, up, in, out. Down, back, together, apart. Jump in, hands up, together, speed it up. Down, back, in, up, down, back, in, up. Balls to the feet. If you need, down, back, in, up, down, back, in, up. Just 1 leg. 1 more. Woo! 30-second break. Okay, walk it out. How we doing? Check in with yourself. In the nose, out the mouth. Water down. Down to the floor. All right, bent knee. Hands behind that head, elbows wide. Back down. Exhale, everything in the center. Lower down. Knees over hips, elbows stay wide, your chest is open. Remember those flies we did? Get those shoulder blades back there. Woo! We use your core in strength and cardio. Now we're just getting that final isolated sizzle. Come on. This ain't no sugar-coated workout. Simple moves, but challenging in the way that they're ordered. It's just challenging. Simple does not mean easy. All right, side plank hold. Prime example, simple does not mean easy. elbow, and shoulder stack. Forearm down, hip stack, lift up. All right, think about this chest. You're getting tired, so you want to open it some more. Hips, pushing forward. Shoulder, elbow down, arm up. Straighten the bottom leg. Let's go. 25 seconds right here. Open your chest. Someone's taking your picture. Whatever image you got right now, it's going to be on the cover. Cover of this little fitness recording. It's going to be you. How do you want to look? Strong and proud. Smile. 4, 3, 2, 1. How was your cover sheet right there? Leg lowers. Give me another shot for it on the other side. Option, hands under your glutes, your tailbone. Legs up as straight as you can get. Keep that pressure down into your hands on the mat. Inhale down. Exhale, bring it up. As low as you want to go. Exhale up. Inhale down. Low can you go? Oh, I'm going to try to take my hands out. When I take my hands away, I got to stop just a little bit shorter. Because I got to truly rely on forward and back to keep down. Woo! He's in. All right, side plank, your second chance right here. Stronger and better this side. Stack it down. Knee stacked, hip stacked. Take it on up from that bottom hip. Got it. All right, let's set it up. Just perfect. Just like fire right here. Shoulder down. Hips forward. Arm up. Bottom leg straight, 25 seconds. Come on. 15 more seconds right here. Open up your chest. Pick that hip up a little higher. We're almost there, almost there. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. On to your front on the floor, that back extension. Feet about hip width. Toes can point. Hands lightly outside your head, or they can touch your head. Shoulder blades down and back, eye gaze down. Squeeze your glutes, lift your chest, and then lower down. Squeeze your glutes, lift. Inhale, lower yourself down. Squeeze and lift. If you want a little more kind of spice for it, you can lift your legs as well as your upper body. Thighs come off the floor, and then lower everything down. Eye gaze still has to stay down. Everything's meeting right in the center. Woo! I feel the sweat dripping on my neck right now. Do you? Last movement. That plank with that row right here. So if you have those weights, grab it. I'm leaving a nice little imprint on the floor right now. All right, those weights between, or you can even hold it in your hands. Row one side up. Other side, roll it up. Shoulders over these wrists. Glutes tight, tense your quads. Push. 3 points of contact in the floor. Roll that weight up. Other side, 3 points of contact in the floor. Elbow up. Come on, eye gaze down. Woo! Get that weight up by that hip. Come on, last 2. One more. Yes! Clear these weights to the side. Give me a child's pose right here. Knees wide, toes together, hips back. Breathe in the nose, out the to the other side for me. I hope you're breathing a little heavier. Pull back to the center. You can kind of just be on your fingertips here. Go stretch kind of underneath your armpits even. Right, I'm gonna get a little sip of water. We're gonna finish stretching right here. How do you guys feel? Check in with yourself. I feel pretty awesome right now, I gotta admit. Take your legs nice and long. Deep breath up. And then exhale. Reach forward for something. Maybe you stop here. Maybe you feel a little more flexible and you got your toes. Feel those calves right there. That was that cardio. If that's too much, right here's fine. Oh, man. All right, bring it up. Take one foot over. And then that foot's over, so you're gonna end up reaching. Nice inhale. And then exhale, twist over. Kind of pull this leg in, so you're gonna feel it. Through your glute. Your chest. Upper back, right here. All right, we're gonna switch over other side. Leg long. Foot down. Both sides tighter, I can feel it right here. Inhale up, and then exhale, take it away. Twist, opening up. All right, back. I'm gonna do butterfly right here, actually. So the soles of your feet come together. Knees fall apart. You're going to feel it through your hips, your adductors, your inner thighs. Those jacks we did in with those burpees and the jumping jacks. Get those inner thighs there, definitely. You want a little more, you come just round it over, just a pinch. Bring yourself up. I'm going to spin this way towards you. Traditional sit right here. Take your one arm across over your body. Look to the side. Stretch through that shoulder. And be very mindful, either pulling here or here, above or below the elbow. Not on the joint. Open up wide. Other side, same thing. Pick below or above the elbow. Release, take these hands behind your back, make a fist, and drive it down, pull away to open up your chest. We're gonna reverse, hands in the front, push away. You can kind of drive your imaginary car here. Roll your wrist out each way, wiggle your fingers. And then let's release tension in the neck. Sometimes with those core movements, you might be pulling on your neck, you don't realize it, so let's just kind of take anything out of there. Right ear, right shoulder. You can have your eyes closed if you like. And I want you to feel space between that left ear, left shoulder. Option, that right hand can come gently on your head to get a tiny little bit of tiny pressure to tiniest pull. Alright, release that hand into the center, bring your chin to your chest. Back up to the center, and then left ear, left shoulder. Create space on that right side. Then left hand can come up. Back into the center. Hand down, super deep breath up. Exhale to the side. One more deep breath up. And then exhale towards your heart right here. Amazing job. Thank you, everybody, so much for tuning in. Whether you attend UMBC as a student, if you work there as staff or an employee, or if you just happen to find this video on YouTube or Instagram, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again. We have lots of different videos on this UMBC Rec channel. Everything from yoga to dance to strength to cardio and core. You can get a little bit of everything depending on either your mood for that day or whatever you are trying to train for in life or in general. So I hope to see you guys again. My name is Kat. I'm with UMBC Rec. Have a great day and be sure to fuel your body after this with some nourishing food to really repair your cells. Bye guys. Go UMBC Retrievers. I will see you next time.